Watercolor today. Good to have you with me. Okay, now, today we're going to be putting the color in on the cactus, okay? And this is kind of a turquoisey color, which is exactly what we're looking for, okay? I've already dampened the area in which I'm going to be painting. I don't want any surprises, okay? And we're just going to kind of leave this darker and lighter, lighter and darker, just like that. It can do whatever it wants, okay? And we're just hitting these areas real quickly, like that. I don't want them to be perfect in their color. There's the last thing that I want right now. Okay, there we go. We're just bringing this around like that and like this. Okay, and we got one more here and one more, and that is pretty much it. Now we're just dabbing some darker color in so that it can go ahead and do its darker color thing, okay? And we don't want these all just one layer of color. We want them darker and lighter. It's the easiest way I know to get it, okay? Now we're going to need some light spots in here. So I've got a Q-tip, and I'm just going to put the Q-tip down like this. See? I'm just going to lift some paint for these light spots. I'll flip it around, lift some paint here and there, like that. There we go. There we go. That's good enough for today. So, be with me tomorrow, by golly, and we'll do some work down here and some work up there, and we're just about to call this done. So, be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the link, leave comments, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.